If you're getting ahead of the program, I want you to be mine, lady. To hold your body close, take another step into the no man's land for the longest time, lady. I need you, darling. Come on, set the tone. If you feel the falling, won't you let me know? Oh, oh. If you love me, come on, get involved. Feel it rushing through you from your head to toe. Oh, oh. Sing. This love is ablaze, I saw flames from the side of the stage, and the fire brigade comes in a couple of days. Until then we got nothing to say and nothing to know, but something to drink and maybe something to smoke. Let it go until our roads are changed, singing we found love in a local rave. No, I don't really know what I'm supposed to say, but I can just figure it out, then hope and pray. I told her my name, I said it's nice to meet you, then she handed me a bottle of water filled with tequila. I already know she's a keeper, just from this one small act of kindness I'm in deep. If anybody finds out, I meant to drive home, but I drunk all of it now, not sobering up. We just sit on the couch, one thing led to another, now just kissing my mouth.
Annesinin mantısı.
Her türlü et yemeği demiştir muhtemelen.
Ya, her şeyi severim ama ben de mantı çok severim. Mantı diyelim.
Balık.
Benle vakit geçirmek.
Maça gitmek.
Telefonumu açmadığımda kızması.
Sinirli bir insan değilim ya, sinirlenmem pek.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me close until our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone.
Yarışmayı kazandım.
Çok teşekkür ederim, hepinize çok mutluyum.
Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I swear it will get easier. Remember that you're every piece of it. And it's the only thing we can take with us when we die. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, Our hearts were never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me, and I won't ever let you go.